Messi, the god of football, Lionel Andres Messi. He was born 24 June 1987 in Argentina, the third of four children of George Messi. At the age of 4, Messi he got ball from grandmother. Also, she motivated him. He joined a local club, Granduli, where he was coached by his father, though his earliest influence as a player came from his maternal grandmother, who accompanied him to training and matches. He was greatly affected by her death shortly before his 11th birthday. Since then, as a devout Catholic, he has celebrated his goals by looking up and pointing to the sky in tribute to his grandmother. A lifelong supporter of Newell's Old Boys, Messi joined the Rosario club when he was 6 years old. During the 6 years he played for Newell's, he scored almost 500 goals as a member of the Mizzen of 87, the near unbeatable youth side name for the year of their birth, and regularly entertained crowds by performing ball tricks during half-time of the first team's home games. However, his future as a professional player was threatened when, at the age of 10, he was diagnosed with the growth hormone deficiency. As his father, health insurance covered only 2 years of growth hormone treatment, which cost at least $1,000 per month. Newell's agreed to contribute, but later reneged on their promise. He was scouted by Buenos Aires club River Plate, whose playmaker, Balbo Eimer, he idolized, but they were also unable to pay for his treatment due to Argentina's economic collapse. As the missing family, her relatives in Catalunya, they sought to arrange a trial with Barcelona in September 2000. First team director Charlie Rexach immediately wanted to sign him, but the board of directors hesitated. At the time, it was highly unusual for European clubs to sign foreign players of such young age. An ultimatum was issued for Barcelona to prove their commitment. Rexach, with no other paper they had hand, offered a contract on a paper napkin. In February 2001, the family relocated to Barcelona, where they moved into apartment near the club stadium, Camp Nou. During the first year in Spain, Messi rarely played with Infinities due to transfer the conflict with Newell's as a foreigner. He could only be fielded in friendliness under the Catalan League. Without football, he struggled to integrate into the team, already reserved by nature. He was so quiet that his teammates initially believed he was mute. At home, he suffered from homesickness after his mother moved back to Rosario with his brothers and little sisters. Directors select 5 balls for Barcelona team. Board of directors sees 5 boys, but they feel about one guy, the Messi, because he was shorter and a foreign player. But one director say he goal for 500 goals for Newell's and about strength of Messi. But Messi feel about how to become the best player. He practiced morning to evening at age of 11 to 16. At the time, every players do not call Messi, only mention height, but he focus football. When he play long hours, his legs are very pain. 7 injections injected for the pain every day. Messi continuously go to treatment. At age of 15, the parents are divorced. That was affected to Messi. He feel it. I don't want football. I do not play the football ever. That time, Messi's coach say, Messi, you got 2 options. 1, fly. 2, 1 try. Coach boost him. After that, decided Messi practice. He did not use right leg, only use left leg. Maximum focus on left leg. He debuted 2005 for Barcelona. Every time I goal, I thanks to grandmother until today. On the left hand backside, his mother tattoo. He did not injection for cost, but he earned 1,217 crore in one session. Messi has won a record 6 Ballon d'Or awards, a record 6 European gold shoes, and in 2020 was named to the Ballon d'Or dream team. He has spent entire professional career with Barcelona, where he was won a club record 34 trophies, including 10 La Liga titles, 7 Copa del Rey titles, and 4 UEFA Champions League ages. He has scored over 750 senior career goals for club and country, and he has the most goals ever by a player for a single club. Ronaldo say, my best friend Messi. He advised to son, do not follow me, you follow to Messi. And Newell's Old Boys Club asked to Messi, we are growth by you. We are happy to train to you. So you give your son for training. Messi immediately accept. When started him football career. Now his son start same place. Friends, Messi story is inspiration story. Who can win their life? Do not believe your level, believe your talent. Friends, if you like the video, please like, share, comment below about Messi. Subscribe for more inspirational stories.